Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. Today I am share how to free up iCloud storage. Many method for iCloud storage cleanup, but I am share simple steps. Go to manage account storage, then go to backups. If you log in multiple device, remove first other device. Second, install apps, remove from iCloud storage. Third, if not important photos and video, remove from iCloud storage. Fourth is turn off iCloud backup. If your device data is not important, then turn off only. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.